Hello there my little sugar buns and welcome back to my channel. I am Elfin and I thought I would start off this year with a little room tour and also a wardrobe post because it's January and we're supposed to post all our dresses. And also because it is January, it's really dark here in Sweden, so today we had like 10 minutes of actual sunlight. So yeah, and the blinders are broken in my window in this room, so I have put up a piece of fabric, so the lighting in here is not really good. So this video might be a bit dark and I'm sorry about that. I can't really do anything about it. I'm really sorry because it is winter in Sweden and it is dark. We live in darkness. But anyway, let's start this video because I think it's gonna take a while, so let's get into it. So this is my new bedroom in my new apartment and my favorite color is pink. So of course there's a lot of pink, a lot. And I have divided my Lolita wardrobe into pastels and sweet and into black and darker colors, just to make it a bit more organized. I like to have things organized. And here is my princess bed, my enormous princess bed. I'm so proud of my bed and all my bunnies. And of course there are some little pictures on the wall, like of course there is. And here we have a secret door and I wonder where that leads. Shall we? Oh, shoes, bags, jewelries, more pictures. And all my petticoats hanging there. And we have head bows and more pictures and bags and more cute stuff. I have so much stuff, okay? And I have so much jewelry, so many necklaces. I think I'm collecting them. I'm not sure. And here is some kind of wardrobe. Just random stuff. Lolita bags. And I love this little bunny. She's so cute. I got her in Paris. She's adorable. And she was just as expensive as a dress. My wardrobe continues here. It's just blouses, skirts, all kinds of stuff, and some dresses and everyday clothing. And here's some hand pieces and more bags. I have some bags, yes. Cute bunny. And more necklaces. Yay. This space is kind of small and narrow, but it works perfectly for a wardrobe. Shoes. And in there is my normal clothes. Not so fun there. Let's continue. Over here I have small hats for sweets and jewelries. Ooh. And more things. Oh my goodness, I have so many things. Dear God. And more pictures. And up here we have hats and Alice stuck in a rabbit. My homemade hats and my sweet dresses. All my dresses. And my makeup table. Just, it's not properly organized yet. It's on its way. Taking my time, okay? And my dark wardrobe. I love black, but I don't have that many black dresses. Well, a few, yes. It's goth, it's sweet, it's classic, it's everything. You've probably seen most of them already. And a beautiful brooch bunny from Miss Danger. I love that one. Some more jewelries, because you can never have enough jewelries. And more Lolita pictures. And I really enjoy this. Marilyn Monroe. I have Marilyn Monroe on my wall. Oh, she was so beautiful. And all my bunnies. Yes, I sleep with all the bunnies in my bed. So that was my room tour, my wardrobe post for this year. I hope you enjoyed it. It was made in a bit of haste and not really organized, but I really hope you enjoyed it anyway. And thank you so much for watching. I see you next time, my little darlings. Bye bye, my darlings.